Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today I am going to be micro scrapping. I got this idea a long time ago from Snobby Scrap Picker. When you sweep up your floor in your shop, don't just throw it away, because you could be throwing away valuable resources, and a king's ransom is still a king's ransom. I mean, look at these Herculean pieces in here. Jeez. Can't even see that against the red. Look at that monster. Wow. Listen to it drop in the bucket. Did you hear that? Was that deafening? You might want to turn your stereo down. Oh, here's another giant piece. What? Look at that. Listen, listen. Not even kidding. I do this every time. Got a rule of thumb in my shop. If it comes into the shop, it gets broken down all the way. Look at all these pieces in here. You know, it doesn't look like anything. Technically, these pieces aren't supposed to be here on the floor, but yet I find pieces all the time on the floor. There was a time back in the day when I would just sweep it up, toss it out. No moss. Man, look at all this. Like, for real. I know it's not much, but every little bit helps. It's like a stream of water. One piece of wire thrown on top of another piece of wire. One day your bucket's full and you got to get another bucket. Then that bucket's full, and then that bucket's full, and then you go to the scrapyard. I am a micro scrapper, so I don't go to the scrapyard very often. But this is literally very small scale money making process. Look at, oh, look at that. Look at that hoard. Look at that giant piece. Oh, I can't even hold it. And then, well, sometimes you got to dump it out. That is just, that's just like gold mining. But copper mining, or in this case, micro scrapping. And then we look through, get out the obvious pieces. That is a piece of copper right there. Oh, there's another one. All these monster pieces. Look at that. Whoa. Put it down here. Oh, where'd it go? It's right there. It's a monster. Can't even see it. There's that other shiny one. Sometimes that stupid coating they put on copper wires is helpful because they really stand out. Sometimes you got to get another source of light just to see some pieces. Come on. Like that piece. Yeah. These are old. Just like that. That's how they end up on the floor. It's a Christmas light piece right there. What do you do with all these busted up Christmas lights? Well, you're a micro scrapper. You will pick them up, scrap them out. Full of copper and brass. It's this piece. Oh, that's not the one. What is this one? Oh, yeah. Silver tabs. Here it is. Look at all this brass. A lot of Christmas light parts right there, buddy. That's funny. Well, they do look alike. Back to mining. Let's see what else we can get out of here. There's a piece. Look at that giant chunk right there. Oh, it's two. Oh, wow. I have another scale. I have another small postal scale. I'll have to figure out where it went, because the postal scale I have out here does not weigh micrograms. And I doubt, oh my gosh, this piece is just not wanting to go in the bucket. Get in the bucket. There we go. Look at that. Can you see it? What else is in here? Yeah, I do this every time. Still find a piece of aluminum for when I tore apart the aluminum radiators. Started collecting aluminum a while ago. I don't have a lot of room for steel shreds, so, well, let me rephrase that. I don't have room for steel shreds, so I don't save it. That gets recycled. I don't turn it in for cash. But copper is definitely on that list. Oh, there's another big old piece. Look at that giant piece right there. There you go. Micro scrapping your own shop. I think that's pretty much it. I don't see any more big pieces in there. Or, let me rephrase that. I don't see any more pieces in there. I think I pretty much got it all. But yeah. Micro scrapping your own shop. Thanks for watching. Copper King Recycling, out.